Good official morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, April 28th, and it is 11:30. Good official morning. I have had a really busy morning. I edited 5 videos actually, because I finished my declutter. So I've been edited 5 videos. I did some therapy. I have in the middle of making a couple sales for my small business. I cleaned our bathroom a little bit. I just did the toilet and the sink so far. That is my goal for the day, is to clean the rest of it, so like the floors and stuff and the countertop. That's kind of all I really have planned today. I haven't been doing well the last week and well, basically since I started my new meds, I haven't been doing too well because they make me very tired, and so I've had no, like, I already don't have motivation to do things, but I've just not had extra motivation to do anything. So that's been fun. The cat is hiding under the bed and is sleeping. I went to find her and she's under the bed sleeping. It's a nice day out. It's cloudy, but it's not raining right now. It's gloomy. That's kind of it. Other things I need to do today are I need to start packing some orders because I do launch on Saturday, and so I want to get those first orders out on Saturday. And I think that's kind of all. I don't really have too many plans today. How many times am I gonna say that? I don't really know. But right now I'm currently just messaging some people about getting them their boxes and stuff. Just catching up on some emails. Working on, well, watching TV, let's be honest. And currently right now I need to find some food. I'm hungry, so I need to eat. Yesterday all I ate was a little thing of yogurt, I think. Did I even eat that? I don't know, and some popcorn. I had popcorn for dinner yesterday. I'm not hungry, it's not good. I know, I don't know if I've told you guys this, but I was diagnosed with a eating disorder, so I do have some things going on there. Right now it's that I haven't been eating, which kind of is annoying. I have a fear of food right now, so it's been a rough while. But I also don't think I told you guys this, but I signed up for Instacart, so I am now an Instacart shopper. So I go and buy people's groceries and stuff and then drop it off, and I get a little bit of money that way. I haven't done any yet. I want to do a couple with Alex or my friend before I do them on my own, just because, again, with my anxiety, I need to kind of have someone there for support while I get started. But I'm sure after like the first couple of times that they come with me, I'll be able to do it no problem. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go find some food. I don't really know what I want. We didn't really get very many groceries because we're on a bit of a budget, but it's fine. Yeah, so I'm gonna find some food and I will let you guys know if I end up finding anything. Alright, so we have some hamburger buns that need to get eaten, so I'm just gonna do like grilled cheese, or not grilled cheese, like cheese toast. So I'm just gonna put some cheese on the bun, toast it, and that's what I'm gonna eat. Also, that was like the most satisfying cut ever. Wow, okay. Update on house hunting. Me and Alex are not really looking, but we are looking. I believe we're just gonna stay here for probably a while, maybe another year, until we can figure things out. It's probably best that I don't keep changing my situations, and we will figure it out. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I don't know. I don't really know what to tell you. The problem is I have no motivation to even find a job. I have no motivation to want to work ever again. So that's fantastic. That's a problem. But at least with Instacart, I'll be able to make a little bit of money. With Instacart, I find it's better than skip the dishes and like stuff like that, because you actually get a little bit more money. Because like if I did skip the dishes or Uber Eats, any of the money that I would be making would go straight into the gas that I'm using to do it, because my gas is expensive and I go through quite a bit of gas. Perks of having a bigger vehicle that takes a lot of gas. I'm just gonna make these, watch some more TV and do stuff, and I will see you guys in a bit. What are you doing? Are you playing? Are you playing? Hi. Welcome. Good morning. How are you? If you guys didn't see our last vlog, she really likes playing with Swedish berries. So if you see like red dots on the floor, like right here, that right there is a Swedish berry. There's one over there. I don't know. She plays with them and it's so funny because she like whips them around like a soccer ball. But I'm gonna give her some attention, and I just wanted to show you guys the cat because, you know, it's a tradition on my channel. All right, so I have moved into my room. It is now almost 2 o'clock. I've just been doing work, kind of just watching TV, hanging out. I've stayed up all day, but this is the first time I haven't gone back to bed in the last couple of days because I've been very tired. I feel a little bit more energized and awake today just because I had lots to do. Right now I'm gonna make up some boxes to take some pictures of just for like inspiration and promotions. I'm gonna make a couple stories that I'll need to post, and yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing right now. Still pretty gloomy. Miss Donut over there, she looks like a donut. She like curls up, it's so cute. Hey, are you sleeping? She's not even moving, she's out. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a couple boxes. I'm actually gonna show you guys what I put in a box because I don't think I've actually done that yet. And if you don't follow my Instagram, make sure to do that below for my box so you guys don't miss out on any promotions or any announcements and stuff like that. But let me just clean up a little bit and we will start making some boxes. The cat's been watching me make these boxes. It's kind of creepy. She looks like a parrot or an owl. But here we go. This is a made up box here. So this is going to be a Mother's Day box. The difference with like the Mother's Day boxes and the self-care boxes is these ones have a little bit less product in them and they don't have any makeup in it, because with Mother's Day you want it to be more like caring. So there's like a lotion, some bath bombs, there is a face mask down here, just kind of covered up. We got some body wash, hand sanitizer is a must, especially right now. We got like a little wine glass here with some scrunchies in it. We got like a tissue, little tissue thing. This keychain is going to be in every box. And then there's just some like candies and stuff thrown in there as well. And then with every order, obviously there will be a card, and these are the cards that came in. They are so cute. So take some time for yourself. And then these are the back ones. I'm going to handwrite on every note. They're super cute. So those will just go on the top when it's all closed. And then these stickers go on the top of it as well. I don't think it's going to focus very well. But yeah, so that is one of the boxes. This is specifically the Mother's Day box. Alright, my battery is almost dead, so I need to change the battery. And I'm just going to go hang out until Alex gets home, which will hopefully be soon. Because I miss him. I do. I'm gonna just go check on like emails and stuff. I've kind of been slacking today. Maybe edit some thumbnails for those videos that I uploaded today. They're not uploaded public yet. They're my declutter series. I haven't figured out when I'm gonna post them. If I'm gonna post them all in a row, if I'm gonna like intertwine them with vlogs and stuff. I will need to kind of look at that. But yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go charge this battery and replace it with a new one. All right. It has been a minute since I picked up the camera today. Alex is home, Haley's home, and my mom came over and we made a video for someone who I still don't remember who, but we did that because it's their birthday or something. I don't even know where my phone went. But I think it's time to make dinner. What time is it? It's 6:12, so I should probably start dinner. And I got a package. Let's do an unboxing. Alex is gonna kill me, but it's fine. He's gonna kill me because he doesn't know what I bought. And first off, it's from Bath & Body Works. And second of all, I'm very excited for it. And third of all, I think it's coming in 2 separate shipments, so I actually don't know what's in here. First off, we got paper. Oh, maybe it is all in here. I don't know, they told me it was shipping separately, but it looks like it's all in here. So I got these packs of hand sanitizer. This is the warm vanilla, and then this is the raspberry tangerine. They came in packs of 5. Is that 5? Yes. So perfect for my boxes. And then I also got some candles. Because I just needed some more candles in my life to make me happy. So I got 3 candles. I'm waiting for Alex to yell at me, to be honest. But I think he's ignoring me. Where did you go? Hello?
Yeah?
Where'd you go? Why'd you leave?
I'm watching a video of you doing unboxing.
Oh. Well, I guess he's not gonna yell at me right now because he's not here. But the first one is Sunshine Mimosa. Oh my god, that smells so good. The next one is Market Peach. Oh my god, that smells really good. Wow. And Raspberry Mimosa. Oh, this smells like champagne toast. It does. It's probably very similar to champagne toast. So those are the ones I got. And, oh, there's something else in here. It's one of those card things. Cool. But that is my unboxing. Yay. Okay, that's all I got for you. And now we got another box that I have to deal with. All right, so for dinner, we're just doing pasta and chicken. So we just have the pasta going here. Chicken's on the barbecue. We'll go take a look at that in just a second. Ooh, chicken.
Leave it open.
All right, so we ate dinner. We've kind of just been hanging out. I showered, and I just made a ginormous bowl of popcorn. I've been craving popcorn a lot lately. I've been craving a lot of salty things. We're just gonna watch some Netflix, so I'm gonna end the vlog here, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.